The knee, right?
You can sit anywhere you want. Now, tell us what's wrong with your knee.
It just hurts.
It just hurts. What did you do?
Didn't do anything.
Show us your Michael Jackson impression. I think that's what it was.
Mean when I jumped like it hard? Or no, that was not Michael Jackson. That was this Michael Jackson. Ow.
I think that could have been it.
But I haven't been doing that.
Okay, all right, well, we don't want to hurt you. Okay, so we're gonna, we've diagnosed you with pes answering bursitis, and we're gonna give you a little injection, and you want to be videoed, huh?
Yes, I do.
Oh, we're very excited to do that for you. Okay, we're gonna get ready.
Get ready.
Okay, Jenny's actually videoing this. I wanted to show off your dermatographism. Jenny has a condition called dermatographism, so if she gets scratched, she gets a red mark like that. So I just thought I'd make a little
You
mark.
actually, it would be faster. You don't use your gloves. You just use your finger.
Just do something like that.
Oh yeah.
Oh. So we'll look at that in a moment. Okay, so let's put your leg down here. Now, the place that your knee is hurting is right in here, right?
Yes, sir.
Does that hurt where I'm
Actually,
pushing?
a little higher.
A little higher?
Right. Keep going.
There?
Right there.
Right in there. Okay, so we're gonna make a little dimple right there. That hurt?
And what about?
No, that's it. That's the spot right
Okay.
there. How about down in here?
A
Not as
little
much.
bit.
A little bit, but more right in there.
Yes.
Okay, how about there? Not really? Not really. Yeah, this definitely the bursa. Okay, so let's get a little alcohol swab.
But what caused it?
Well, it's just something you did. Like I said, it was probably you doing your Michael Jackson impression. That was probably it. Can you see well, Misty?
Yes, I
Misty
can.
on the camera there.
Hello.
My beautiful girl on the picture, on the video, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
You're not gonna scream at me? You're not gonna kick me, are you?
Me?
Me or Jenny?
Neither one of you.
Oh.
Wait, I gotta spray.
Wait.
I gotta spray.
You're moving around. Stay still for me. There's my spot. All right. We ready? I'm gonna step on your foot.
Spray. Hey.
Spray the cold spray right there. Go.
Wait.
Go. A little bit lower, a little stick. You can stop spraying. Thank you. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath.
Oh.
You're doing great.
The shoulder is better than this one.
Yes. No, this hurts. This is
So
a
you
different
have
one.
to go like around a little bit.
I like to feather it just a little bit.
Gee, don't you do my face.
Just a wee bit. You were so brave, Jen.
Wow.
How's it feeling now?
Feels good.
Feels
Feel
better?
fine,
Doesn't
yeah.
hurt hurting?
Well,
Good. I'm gonna put a Band-Aid on there for you.
Now everybody see my ugly knee.
You don't have ugly knees.
It's
Where,
not.
where I wrote high is not turned
Like
red
that?
yet.
It will.
When's that gonna turn red? How long does it take?
It won't take long.
Takes a couple of minutes. It's starting to come through.
it's starting.
Okay, so we're gonna stop now and we'll come back and we'll show the high in a few minutes.
Yes. See, I'm doing it.
How's it feel?
It feels wonderful.
Okay, good. Don't
So
go
when
away.
I was doing this, that's not what happened, right?
Yeah?
That's what I've been doing, but that's stretching. That's not regular stretching. It's wonderful. Dr. Gilmore, yay! You're the best.
Oh, thank you.
See? Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. I trust you now. I trust you more, I should say.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is gonna be, stay tuned for the Meta 7 video.
Hey guys, this is Vanessa and I've been using Meta 7 for about a month now. It's really helped me since having a baby. I had a little bit postpartum and I think after having it, after taking it, it made the wiring in my brain come back together. I feel like my old self and I have a lot of energy. I'm not wired up or anything. It feels natural and I recommend this product to everyone. So get your bottle of Meta 7 today.
Hey guys, Dr. Gilmore here. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like pimple popping and you've always wanted to do your own pimple popping, we've got just what you need. Super Pimple Popping Kit has everything you need to get the job done right. The instructions for getting your own Super Pimple Popping Kit are in the video description box below. Thanks again for watching.